Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I decorated these two vases, as well as I'm going to create a mirrored base. So I'm really loving the way these two projects turned out today, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. So before I get started, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use these two unique vases that I picked up from my discount store. I'm going to use this silver bling wrap. I picked this up from Amazon. I'm going to use two 4-inch squared mirrors. I'm going to use some cardboard to help build my base, black linen contact paper, some silver metallic paint, and my paintbrush. And I'm going to be using these flowers that are attached to a vine. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using some other things today that I didn't show you, but as I use them, I'll tell you about them. So to begin, I'm just going to take this 2-roll bling wrap and I'm going to use a silver Sharpie marker. So I'm just going to take the marker and cover the black lines. After that, I'm going to separate the bling wrap. I'm just going to cut it in half. So I'm just going to use the bling wrap and the mirror to help define the proper measurement that I need for my base. So I'm just going to lay this down. I'm just going to use my pencil and mark off the parts that I'm going to cut away. And after this, guys, I'm going to start creating the project. Alright guys, so this project is done. I really love the way it came out. I love the mirrored base that I created for the candle holders, and the candle holders are really nice, guys. They have a really unique shape, and I didn't want to over decorate them, but I'm loving the way the project turned out. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And guys, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.